Hi, and welcome to Lesson 2, Learning to Read Initial Sounds. In this lesson, we're going to cover the sounds I, N, P, G, and O. Now, because there aren't actually very many words that we can make from these sounds, there are a couple of what we call nonsense words added in for you to read. If you didn't see the first video where we learned the sounds M, A, S, T and D in lesson 1, then you click this link and watch that first. Here are the sounds that we're learning. I for igloo, N for net, P for pin, G for gap, and O for orange. Repeat the sounds after I say them. I, N, P, G, O. Now let's sound out some words. N, I, P. Again. N, I, P. Then read the whole word. Nip. P, I, N, and again. P, I, N. Blend it together to make a whole word, and that word is pin. P, I, G. Once more. P, I, G. Blend all those sounds together, P, I, G, and we have the word pig. N, O, P. Again. N, O, P. Blend those sounds together, and that is a nonsense word. It isn't a real word, but it sounds out the word nop. Nop. P, O, N. Another nonsense word. P, O, N. Blended together, we have a nonsense word that reads pon. Pon. P, O, N, G. So we've got 4 sounds now. P, O, N, G. You just blend them together as you did before, and we get the word pong. P-O-N-G, pong. Another 4-letter word, P, I, N, G. Again, P, I, N, G. And you can see it's just the second sound that's changed from O to I. So before we had pong, and now we've got pink. G, O, N, G, G, O, N, G. So instead of having P, O, N, G, we've got G, O, N, G, and that says gong. Now you can test yourself and read the words when they appear on the screen. Good luck! Well done, you've reached the end of the video and the end of the lesson. If you need to go back, do that and check the words. In the next lesson, lesson 3, we will be learning the sound K, K, and B. So make sure to subscribe and then you'll get a notification of when that video has been uploaded. See you in the next video. Bye.